Hello, ako po si Madam P at ito yung reading natin for the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra, take ulit what resonates. This is general love reading. For those of you na gusto mo po book ng personal reading, meron tayong 20% discount. Doon na lang kayo mag-inquire sa aming Facebook page. And by the way, kung gusto nyo ma-avail yung mga readings namin na discounted, 20% off tayo ngayon until end of March lang. Okay? Sa lahat po ng readings natin. Kung gusto mo yung ma-avail, um, sabihin mo kasi hindi namin ito masyadong pinopromote. Kung sino lang yung mga nanonood ng videos na ito at doon sa mga latest previews ko, latest video sa YouTube, sila lang yung nakakaalam. Okay? So, if you want, doon lang kayo sa Facebook page namin. Pag di mo kami ma-message, mag-comment ka sa profile picture. Ayan, para mas mapansin ka ng admins namin. Yung admin namin ang mag-assist sa'yo or magme-message sa'yo kung hindi ka makapag-message sa page. Let's start. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba guys, kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. Okay, I feel good. Let's start your reading. Four of Clover is here. Four of Diamonds. I don't know if you're dealing with a Virgo or you're a Virgo. Kanina pa itong angel number na 444 nagpapakita. Itong number 4 pala. Then, naunang reading dito bago ito ay the sign of Virgo. Which is, nagpakita rin ito sa kanyang main energy. Tsaka same energy na kukuha ko sa inyo. Anyway, okay lang kahit hindi. It could be marami kang Virgo sa iyong chart or yung person mo is maraming Virgo sa kanyang chart. Pwedeng ganun. So, check your natal chart. Well, iba sa inyo, pwedeng nagkakaroon ng I can see you being successful financially. Normal yung challenges the Five of Diamonds, these are challenges. Pero itong challenges na to, kaya mo siya na-experience kasi may growth na kaakibat itong challenges na to. Parang pinupursigi. Pinupursigi ka ng universe. Na gawin mo yan, i-push mo yan, ganyan. Gawin mo to. At hindi mo gagawin yung mga bagay na yun kung hindi ka nagkaroon ng challenge. So, normal yung challenge for you para magkaroon ka ng growth. Nakikita natin meron. Lalo na sa usaping professional with the King of Diamonds here. Ayan, no? Six of Clover. Matututunan mo kung paano i-balance yung mga bagay-bagay or buhay mo dahil sa tulong nitong bagay na ito. Person nakakonect mo, sino to? Person nakakonect mo. Person nakakonect mo, sino to? For the sign of ano to? For the sign of Libra. Ayan. Pagtingin ko na naman sa phone, I just saw the number 444. This could be your angel number. Try to search it on Google, yung meaning ng 444. And then, Take what resonates. Pwedeng yung message na yun ay para sa'yo. Ten of Diamonds. Jack of Spade and the Five of Diamonds is here. Nakita tayo dito ng money. A lot of money. There's a person na parang paparating siya sa buhay mo. This person could be paparating siya. Tapos siya yung may problema financially. Tapos through the help or maybe pagtutulungan ninyong dalawa, may money or may mabuo kayo, maybe ideas, mag-flourish, mamulaklak, magbunga, kung ano man yung pag-uusapan ninyo. And pwedeng may kinalaman ito sa stability. The Queen of Spades is here. Yeah. This is like maybe may kinalaman sa partnership. Two of Diamonds. Ayan. Queen of Spades and Queen of Hearts. So, nakakita tayo dito ng pagtutulungan ninyong dalawa. Both of you are like the queens here. Pareho kayo ng energy. Gusto niyo ng alliance, pagtutulungan. And you do have here the Four of Hearts. Four na naman, diba? So, may kinalaman ito sa stability. Pagbabago regarding stability, money, finances, home, kasama dyan. And ito, mas magiging matibay yung pundasyon dito. Emotions nyo sa isa't isa. Ace of Diamonds. The Joker. King of Diamonds and Two of Hearts. Emotion ng person na ito for you. Spirit guides, angel guides. Okay. Three of Spades. Okay. Ten of Hearts. Ten of Spades, sorry. Queen of Hearts and the Nine of Clover. Ang focus mo kasi new beginning eh. New beginning might be sa profession or career. The Joker, maybe you want adventure. Pagdating sa love or partnership, ganun din. You're looking forward sa new beginnings. Well, yung person na to with the Three of Spades, Ten of Spades energy. Nasaktan siya. Hindi siya okay. Nine of Clover. May mga challenges sa kanyang problema, sakit. This person is sobrang ang bigat ng energy niya. I feel a lot of love. So, mahal ka ng person na to, kaya lang ang dami niyang problema ngayon. Nalulungkot siya, sobrang nasasaktan siya. And you don't mind, I don't feel like may pake or mas mura na kasi ang focus mo dito with the King of Diamonds is profession mo talaga eh. Ace of Diamonds, so money talaga focus mo eh. In the near future for you. Two of Diamonds. Four of Spades. Oh. Lakas ng energy mo ng Virgo. Nakukuha natin yan. Same energy ito eh. So, I don't know if you're Virgo or dealing with a Virgo. King of Clover, or marami kang Virgo sa chart mo. Jack of Diamonds, Queen of Clover, King of Clover is also here. One more card. Seven of Hearts. Seven of Spades is here. I can see partnership with the Two of Diamonds. Alam mo yung energy mo very balanced, like Libra, no? They represent the weighing scale. So, napaka-balance ng nararamdaman kong energy sa'yo. Person mo with the Queen of Clover, Jack of Diamonds, and the Seven of Hearts. Seven of Spades is also here at the bottom of the deck. Parang kailangan niya ng advice ngayon. Pwedeng sa mga tao sa paligid niya. Hindi niya alam kung saan direction pupunta. May part of this person na gustong bumalik. So, if this is a past person, gusto niya bumalik, nalulungkot siya, sobrang sad ng energy niya with a Five of Hearts. Gusto niya bumalik. Sobrang nalulungkot siya ngayon. With the Eight of Clover. Parang wala siyang magawa. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want to book a personal reading, 20% off tayo ngayon hanggang end of March. Mag-inquire ka na lang doon sa aming Facebook page. May mga admin ako mag-a-assist sa'yo. Kung hindi ka maka-message, pumunta ka sa profile picture. Doon ka mag-comment. I-assist ka ng mga admin namin. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.